Now that we've introduced factorial ANOVA, there's another term that comes into play. Since you have more than one independent variable, two factors if you would, or more, the term interaction comes into play. The interaction effect is very important, and in some cases that's exactly what the researcher is looking for. Our example consists of a 2x2 ANOVA. They could be much more complex.
So what is an interaction effect? In factorial ANOVA, the total variance is partitioned into main effects, interaction effects, and error. The main effects are associated with the levels of the independent variable. The interaction effects are associated with changes that occur to the dependent variable due to effects of combinations of the independent variables.
Here's our example, a two-way factorial ANOVA. It's gender by medication.
In a two-way ANOVA, you will test for the main effect for variable A, the main effect for variable B, and test for interaction. So you will have three F-tests, one for factor A, one for factor B, and one for interaction. When we have more than a 2x2 design, it becomes increasingly complex. For example, in a four-way ANOVA, four factors or four independent variables, there may be 15 F-tests available. Main effects for variable A, B, C, and D, the four factors. Double interactions for AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD.
These are also known as two-way interactions.
Triple interaction involving factors ABC, ABD, BCD, and ACD, and there's even a quadruple interaction for combinations of A, B, C, D.
You'll have tests of main effects, two-way interactions, three-way interactions, and a four-way interaction.
You can see how it becomes increasingly difficult to interpret the results.
Let's show an example of what an interaction might look like. Notice here we have a two-way design. It's gender by medication. The dependent variable is the mood scale. Notice that if both the females and the males take the placebo, they are common or have similar scores on the mood scale. Yet when they take the drug, the females have a more positive mood than do the males. Notice the lines are not parallel. What happens is when you talk about the drug, you have to talk about males and females because the drug has a differential effect on males and females. That, by definition, is an interaction. The mood-enhancing drug worked significantly better for females than males. There was a significant interaction.